Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Exness and Delta Exchange, two very different trading platforms that cater to unique audiences. Whether you're into traditional assets or deep in the crypto space, by the end of this video you'll know exactly which platform suits you best. So let's review the features, the pricing, the pros and the cons. We get started. Exness, founded in 2008, is a globally recognized multi-asset broker. It's licensed and regulated by financial authorities such as the FCA, CYSEC, and the FSCA. With over 400,000 active traders and billions of dollars in monthly trading volume, Exness has built its reputation on transparency, powerful trading tools, and a wide range of instruments, from forex and commodities to stocks and crypto CFDs. In contrast, Delta Exchange is a crypto derivatives platform that's made a name for itself in emerging markets, especially in India. It's registered with the Financial Intelligence Unit of India and focuses on derivatives trading for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto assets. What makes Delta Exchange especially attractive is its INR-based trading, which allows users to fund accounts using rupees and trade without needing to own cryptocurrencies. So while Exness offers a broader and more traditional trading experience, Delta Exchange zeroes in on the booming world of crypto with a focus on simplicity and accessibility for mostly Indian users. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. For Exness, asset variety. Exness gives you access to over 100 forex pairs, indices, commodities like gold and oil, stocks, and cryptocurrency CFDs. It's ideal for traders who want to diversify across markets. Different trading platforms. You can trade using MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, or the browser-based Exness Terminal, or even the Exness Trade app, which is user-friendly and lightning fast. Leverage. Depending on your account type and jurisdiction, leverage goes up to 1 to 2,000, which is high but comes with significant risks. Account types. Exness offers standard accounts, pro accounts, raw spread, zero accounts, each with varying speeds, commissions, and minimum deposits to match different trading styles. And automated trading. They support algorithmic trading via MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 expert advisors. How about Delta Exchange? Crypto derivatives focus. They specialize in futures and options contracts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. No spot trading, everything is derivative based. Leverage. They offer up to 100 times leverage on some products suitable for high risk strategies. INR transactions. This is a game changer for Indian traders. You can deposit and withdraw in INR, eliminating conversion and costly hassles. Simple UI. Compared to some crypto platforms, Delta's interface is beginner friendly without sacrificing functionality. Now let us talk about the pricing of both platforms. We start with Exness. For a standard account, it requires a minimum deposit of $10 and you can get spreads from 0.2 pipes. No commission is required. And for a standard cent account, which is designed for new traders, a minimum deposit of $10 is also required, with spreads from 0.3 pipes and no commission as well. For a pro, a zero or a raw spread account, the minimum deposit is $500 with the spreads varying differently. How about Delta Exchange? There are different fees associated. Trading fees are involved, no deposit fees are involved, and INR withdrawals are straightforward with minimal delays. There's also a trading fee calculator on the website that helps you calculate how much it will cost you to trade. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with Exness. The pros. It is regulated by trusted authorities. There are a wide range of instruments across asset classes. And there's low-cost trading with tight spreads. Also a strong infrastructure and trading tools. And the pros of Delta Exchange? It is INR-based, which is perfect for Indian traders. Clean, intuitive UI for crypto derivatives. It supports complex strategies and trading bots. And up to 100 times leverage for pro traders. How about the cons? For Exness, the high leverage can be risky, and beginners may sometimes feel overwhelmed by the advanced features. For Delta Exchange, It only offers crypto derivatives, no forex, no stocks, and no commodities. Limited global support, although the global support is increasing compared to Exness. High leverage can amplify losses if not used wisely. So here's the million-dollar question. Which platform wins in 2025? If you are looking for a regulated, full-spectrum broker with global reach and the ability to trade multiple asset classes, Exness is the clear winner. It is perfect for traders who want exposure to forex, indices, stocks, and crypto, all under one roof. Its flexible accounts, the high-quality tools, and reliable infrastructure make it a top choice for both beginners and pros. However, if your interest lies purely in crypto derivatives, especially in the Indian market, and you want a platform that allows INR deposit and withdrawals, then Delta Exchange may be your go-to. It's lean, focused, and built for serious crypto traders who want to explore leverage and strategies without the hassle of converting fiat to crypto. And that's it on the comparison of Exness and Delta Exchange. The choice depends entirely on your trading goals. Are you looking for diversification or crypto specialization? Or are you focused on global markets or regional ease of use? If you feel these two are not the best fit for you and you want to try other alternatives, you may explore Binance, Deriv.com, and Bybit. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.